Welcome traders. In this video, I'll be showing you this app that I've been using to journal my trades. It is very nice and it is totally free. You're not going to pay anything for it. The name is Trello. All you have to do, you just have to open your browser and type over there Trello. When you see Trello right here, then you enter. This is a Trello app. You log in with your Gmail and Apple and what you want to use to log in with this Trello app. You have to do it. After that, then you come to this side. You come to the page, it is going to be fresh page, so you have to add things that you want to add to make it nice and very understanding to how you want to keep your journal. So this is how I do it. I do it like this. On this list right now, I'm going to be using a week. When it is Monday to Friday, I make sure that every Monday it is going to start every list. I can add list. Let's take it that it is 28th, from 28th December to 31st 31st December 2023. Then I hit enter. Then I created another list. If I wanted to create another list which is going to be 2nd January 2024 to this, then I do it that way. Do you understand? That's how you're going to do it. After you come to board, this is how you're going to do it to create your journal. It is very nice. You can download the mobile app as well, so that you can keep the track record from your mobile and laptop as well. So for instance, you wanted to add what I've added over here. It is very simple. What you're going to do is to go to this week right here, from 20th December to 25th December, which is 5 days, from Monday to Friday. If you take trade on Monday, which is 20th, you're just going to do add card. So you just go 20th December. Let's write it in a short form. 20th December. The pair that you've traded, you can do a GBP USD. When it is a win trade, add plus the amount of gain that you've gained on that particular day. You are going to add it. When it is 2% that you've gained, you just click on 2, then you go add card. So this card over here, when you want to edit it so that it can look like this is how you're going to do it. You just click on it. Then the label, you're going to, if it is win, then you are going to enter win over here. So the win is going to show over here. See, the win is showing, which is green. It is showing over there that it is a win. If it is a loss, you just go and untick this one. Let me write this in caps. Then you save. If it is loss, then you just click on, sorry. If it is loss, then you just click on loss. Then you know that on this particular day, which is 20th December, GBP USD, you lost something over there. So let's go to the win. So untick this, you tick this. So then you just add the attachment, the picture that you've taken on TradingView. Then you just go like this. Then you click over here for it to be the displayed picture for this particular day. You've gained 2% on this particular day with GBP USD. This one is Euro USD. When 21st, if taken trade, you're just going to add it this way. If it is 21st, you just do 21 first. Sorry. 1st December. This one. Then if it is Euro USD, you're just going to Euro USD. When it is -1, you just go, sorry, -1. Then enter. Then you select the label which is lost. Then select the attachment that you wanted to put over there. So you can see the picture showed that what on this particular day, which is 21st December, Euro USD gave you a loss of 1%. Do you understand it this way? Give you a loss of 1%. It is very good for us to journal our trade this way, because this way we can see the pictures of trades that we've taken. You can click on it one day and check, what did I see before taking this trade? Oh, liquidity was taken over here. This one was a trend line liquidity. Price took this trend line liquidity, went back to this other block right here, and I sold here, and I got 2%, 3% from it. It is very nice, and then you can learn from your old trades. If it is a bad one, you can learn from it as well. When the week is over and you wanted to add weekly review, you can do weekly review. You can do weekly review. Then you just label it. You click on enter. Then you label it yellow. You can come here and type whatever you want to type. How you feel that week, the percentage of trade that you get on that week, and those kind of stuff. So you can type it over there, as I did over here. You can see how I have done everything. Total trades taken was 2 trade. The win was 2. The loss trades 0. Break even trades 0. Percentage gain 7% that I gained on that particular week. So you can write over here. I think this week was very good, even though I took only 2 trades, but my percentage gain are even more than a week that I took 10 trades. Good setups are key. I'm hoping for the best. So help me God, and those kind of stuff. You write it to motivate yourself. You can write your own whatever you feel like writing to motivate you yourself. When it is a bad week, you know how you can write it. You know how you can write it. If it is 10 trade that you've taken and 5 was win, 5 was loss, you just key in all those kind of stuff. You can write all this in capital letters and key all those percentage trades and everything that you've taken. You can key in all those kind of stuffs over there, so that you can go back to your trades, so that you can go back to them one day and see how what you've seen before. Like this, you can see what I've seen before taking this trade. Liquidity was taken, price broke this, change of character over here, move back to this, and I sold over here, even though taking liquidity over here, but I gave more room to breathe, so that this particular one description, you can write all those stuffs over here, like on that particular trade, what you've seen before entering that particular trade, you can key in over there. You can key in that particular thing over there. Do you understand? Like you can key in liquidity was taken and there is a change of character. That's why I entered this trade, and it was a very good trade. It gave me 1:2, and I think this is going to help us a lot, because this one is going to give you a picture like journal, so that you can journal your trade in pictures. You can click on the pictures and see the mistake that you've done on the chart before taking trade. This is totally free. You can use it for free. You can change these background pictures. You can go here and change the pictures. You see the background picture over here. You can see background. You can go to colors. You wanted to put this color over here. You can change this color over here. If you don't want to use colors, you want to use pictures, you can go. Once you want to use this picture over here, it's going to upload and update your everything. And if you want to use this, you can click on it. It's going to update and all those stuff. Do you understand? This is free. You can download the mobile app as well. It's going to help you. All what you have to do is what you can even list your strategies, and all strategies that you have, you can list it in a form of picture. Do you understand? It is very important for us to keep it this way, so that we can see the pictures, we can see the mistake that we've done. It is very good for each and everybody to journal their trade. So this one, you people have to download the app. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Help your boy Charlie.